Hi, I'm Priscilla McNamee with ROOST Real Estate Company, and welcome back to 10 Tips to Win a Bidding War. Today we're talking about tip number 5, get creative with contingencies. In a competitive market, many buyers feel pressured to waive every protection they have. Inspection, appraisal, financing, just to get noticed. But that kind of all-in strategy can expose you to serious risk. The key isn't to drop your safeguards, it's to rethink them. Contingencies exist to protect you. They're conditions that must be met for the sale to move forward. The most common ones are inspection, to make sure the home is in acceptable condition; financing, to confirm your loan goes through; appraisal, to verify the value; sale of another home, to give you time to sell before closing. Sellers often see contingencies as potential roadblocks. Your goal is to make them feel comfortable without leaving yourself exposed. Here are some ways to stay competitive and protected. Shorten the timeline. Instead of waiving the inspection, offer to complete it in 5 days instead of 10. Pre-inspect. If possible, arrange a brief inspection before making your offer. That way you can waive the contingency confidently. Use cash-backed financing. Some lenders can underwrite your loan upfront or even offer cash guarantees that make your offer nearly as strong as cash. Offer post-closing possession. If the seller needs time to move out, offer a short rent-back period. It's a small gesture that can make a big difference. You're not removing protections. You're tailoring them to the seller's needs. From the seller's point of view, it's all about certainty. When you shorten timelines, come prepared, or offer flexible terms, you reduce friction, and that makes your offer more appealing even if the price isn't the highest. At Roost, we coach our buyers to focus on clarity and creativity. The best offers are not reckless, they're resourceful. This is where your preparation and your agent's experience really shine. Sellers want the path of least resistance. If your offer looks like it'll close smoothly, they'll take it, even if someone else offered a few thousand more. Contingencies aren't the enemy. Poorly written or misunderstood contingencies are. In our next video, we'll talk about tip number 6, personal letters, how to use them without risk. You'll learn how to write a compelling note that connects with sellers while still staying compliant with fair housing laws. Winning offers aren't reckless, they're smart. Download your free copy of 10 Tips to Win a Bidding War using the link below and talk with your Roost agent about how to craft contingencies that keep you safe and competitive. I'll see you in the next video. Tip number 6, personal letters, how to use them without risk.